channel. Bienvenidos a mi canal. My name is Veronica. I am 4'11". I am Mexican. Enjoy anything that has to do with fashion. And so today's try-on is going to be on clothing and accessories from Torrid. Just for references on the sizing, I am an 18 on bottom or a number 2, and on tops I am a 00 or a 0. When it comes to dresses or rompers, I am a size 1. The reason why is because for some reason they tend to make their dresses and rompers bigger, and so that's why I get a 1. Anyways, I did get some clearance stuff and some regular price items. I did separate purchases. Some of the items I got, I believe the 12, and some items I got recently. But yeah, I am excited to show you. I also got some undergarments, some bras, and I'm just going to show to you what I got, but I am not gonna try this on. Okay guys, so I am going to show you what I got on clearance first. So I got 3 tops when it was buy one get 2 free, and they will always charge you for the most expensive item. This was my most expensive item. It was $23.98. You can see the detailing on the front, the buttons. That is pretty cute. The material feels like a linen, but it's not linen. I love any shade of olive green. So we'll see how that looks. Okay, so with that purchase, I also got this black, very simple red. You can see it has a little lines, tank top. Okay, so here is a black one. Like I said, very simple. So I got the same tank on this burgundy color, wine burgundy color. It's a rib tank as well. Just great to have. It's a rib tank. It's just very simple, but it's great because you can wear a kimono with it, or a duster, and it's just a great piece just to have different colors on it, but or wear it underneath a blouse that is see-through. So the next item I am going to show you, I got it back in January. It's been a while, it was before the pandemic started. So the price on it, just I'm gonna tell you really quick, was original 51, sorry, it was, yeah, $51.98. And so I believe it was half off clearance at that time. And so I got it for $25.99. This is the Tuxedo coat. It's really cute. You can see buttons, satin color. And did I tell you the size? The size is a 1. Alright, so I am going to show you the regular price items now. I am going to show you this top I got. I already wore it because I really like it. It's this Cactus t-shirt. It's just very simple but very cute. It's on a size 0. and regular price is $35.50, but you can always find some kind of deals when you go to your store. Either buy one get one half off, or right now Torrid Cash is going. So here's the Cactus top. Adorable, comfortable. Love the pink on the Cactus tops. Super cute. Okay, so I got some accessories as well. I am so happy I got this 3-pack of tassel earrings. There I go. I think you can see it better there. I just love the color. This is what caught my eye, this one, the one with the tassels. They're kind of like a rusty orange, and that's my color. I love that color. I was surprised. I have something similar to this one, but the teardrop shape little metal pieces are way bigger than the ones I have. And this leaf, it's really cute too. Totally a full kind of a vibe going on there. All right, so the price on this, regular price, oh my gosh, you can get it together. Regular price is $18.50, but I pay, where are you? $9.94. All right, so here's the burnt orange tassel one. This is how long they are on me, and I think they are adorable. All right, the second pair of earrings is this cute dark olive green statement earring. I did not think they were going to be this big. I was hoping for them to be a little smaller, but definitely they are a statement piece. It's very artisan, like super cute, I think. So here you go. What do you guys think? This is how long it is on me. I just think it's really cute. So I got these footless ties on black. The size is a 1-2. The price, regular price, is $18.90, but I pay half, which is $9.25, and I already have an image in my head of how I want to style it, and the reason why I got them is because I have these corduroy skirt and I want to wear them underneath. So I am going to show you some undergarments. I got these push-up plunge on nude color, has a cool crisscross detail, the back smoothing back, and I am not gonna try it on. I have purchased this bra before, and I can tell you that it supports you really well, and whenever you wear a white top, you do not want to wear a white bra. You want to get yourself a nude bra, because that's not going to show through. Right, so I got a second bra in the same color, a nude color. This is the Lily Line full coverage Balconette. What I can tell you about this shape is that I really like it. It is very comfortable. It supports you really well as well, but it's a great everyday kind of bra. This is the back smoothing as well. And I have owned this before in a black, and it's what I'm wearing right now, and it's super comfortable, and it just supports you really well. It doesn't really show the seams on them, So if you are wearing a t-shirt, that's what you want to wear. Alright, so I forgot to tell you the price on that bra, and the price, regular price, was $49.50, but I paid half. I paid $24.75, and it's 40 double D. So I am very excited about these jeans. They are the Sky High Skinnies on an 18, extra short. It has a button fly, and they have this dress on the front. I don't know if you can see it. Have this dress, and the bottom is a finish. I really like that. It also has this dress on this side, just a little bit, not as much as the other side. And so the price for the Sky High regular price is $79.50. So I got another jean, and I am excited about this one too. I got the Bombshell Skinny extra short. Is an inseam, size 18, with some distress, but it also has a backing on the back, so you can wear it if you live on an area where it snows. Maybe that's the kind of jean you want. You don't want to have the holes in. You just want to have that pretend holes. Okay, so it has the Bombshell is those seams on the back to give you that bootylicious on the rear. And so they call it, so I want to talk to you about this. This is an eco-friendly item. It's called an Eco Wash. So I am going to read you a little bit about what it is. So it's more sustainable techniques like less laser finishing and air-friendly wash process to help reduce water waste and chemical usage. So there you go. That's why it's called the Eco Wash. Very fancy, isn't it? But we'll see how it looks. Alright guys, so I am going to try the Bombshell Skinnies. So I just have a bike short underneath. It's just very elasticy, so it's not sucking my stomach or anything at all. So I wanted to mention about the Bombshells. You see this panel right here? It helps that midsection right there, so it controls your tummy. So all right, so gotta work in there. Work up in there. For us girls that have a butt, we know what it's like to get in those jeans, right? So this is what it looks like. The front has that tummy control. It's great. It helps a lot. So here it goes. The back. The seams on the side again to give you that shape. That's what it looks like. Just from the side. I know you can see. And the length is great. So stretchy. I love them. What else can I say about them? It just feels like a regular denim with stretch in them. But they're cute. Alright guys, so I am going to try the Sky High Skinnies. And I was gonna mention the inside panel of the midsection is not like the Bombshell. The Bombshell has more of a shapewear kind of a panel. And this one has a panel, if you can see it right here, but it's more of a cotton, but it still gives you sun control, not as good as the Bombshell one. And just remember, it has a button fly on it, and that distressed. This one doesn't have backing at all whatsoever. So let me see. I am glad my foot didn't go through it because that has happened with other jeans. Thankfully, I don't really go through it. And so, as you can see, the Bombshells are tighter for some reason. And so these ones were way easier to pull up for me. And I love where it hits me on the waist. They are sky high, remember? So this is where it hits me. This is the back. And the length, love it. Love that I have that option to get extra short and not to worry about get them altered at all. All right, so I also got this rock and roll top. Yay, I'm going wild. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I got it on a 1 because they didn't have a 0 on it. So I was like, okay, I'll just get the 1. So the regular price $39.50. I did not pay $39.50. I paid these cup rates $19.75, half off. And so I am thinking to pair it with the sky highs, the black button fly sky highs. Here is the Rolling Stones top. Remember, it's the 1, so it is going to be loose. It works out, though. You can add a knot on the side or in the back. It depends how you want to wear it. So there we go. So Torrid right now is having Torrid Cash going on in clearance right now. I believe it's buy one get two free, but you can always call the store and find out what the deals are. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any suggestions, let me know. If you like the video, give it a like. You can also follow me on Instagram at Chaparrita Tapatia. I have a lot of fun doing the try on. I'm so excited to start putting outfits together, and I hope you guys have a lovely week. Besitos, and hope to see you soon.